Yeah, more or less just trying this out, see what it looks like, and definitely in four-wheel drive. That's what that little light there is. Yeah, it's not going to come into focus. But the only trucks I'm seeing out right now are plow trucks, which I guess would make plenty of sense. County's out, local guys are out. The only people going to work are plow guys, and apparently this place, everybody's coming into work there. I'm supposed to start work at 7. It's been about a half hour, so I just left a voicemail on my boss and told him if they need me, I'll come back in, but if not, that's not happening. Man, these snowdrifts they're up to my running boards. County's working over there. Radio keeps talking about all these accidents everywhere, and man, this shit's like pulling my steering wheel all over the place. I wish I had like an actual camera, not just a phone, because you can't. It's looking at these drifts and stuff. It's just not quite as clear on this thing, obviously, as it would be with a good camera. But and I've never really done a video before, so here we go. Nice. So looks like there's an accident up here. I don't know if I should. I'm just gonna go up here and see what they're doing. The guy's obviously stuck in a drift. This is a main road too, so this is no good. Guess I'm gonna see if I can help this guy out a bit, and I'll post something else different.